In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblock someone on TikTok. If you've blocked a user and changed your mind or want to reconnect, don't worry, it's a straightforward process. First, we'll need to access TikTok through your preferred web browser. So, open up your browser and head over to tiktok.com. Once there, you'll need to log into your account using your usual credentials. This step is essential because without logging in, you can't access your account settings, which is where the magic happens. After successfully logging in, focus your attention on the left side of the screen. Here, you'll see your profile picture or avatar. Click on it. This will present you with a drop-down menu with a few options. From this menu, go ahead and click on Visit Profile. This brings you directly to your profile page where you have access to all the settings related to your account. Now, look for the Settings option. It'll usually be located toward the upper part of your profile interface. Clicking on this will open a new set of options related to how you manage your TikTok experience. From the Settings menu, you want to locate and select Privacy. Privacy settings allow you to control various aspects of who interacts with your content and how your personal information is shared, which includes managing your blocked accounts. As you delve into the privacy settings, you'll need to scroll down a bit to find the section labeled Blocked Accounts. This section lists all the accounts that you've previously decided to block for one reason or another. Clicking on Blocked Accounts will provide you with a list of users whom you've blocked. Now, come to the important part. Find the user that you wish to unblock. Once you've found their name on the list, you'll notice there is an Unblock option right next to it. Simply click on Unblock. And that's it. You've successfully unblocked the user. This means that they can now view your profile again, watch your TikToks, and interact with your content if you allow it. This process is designed to be uncomplicated, so you can manage your TikTok community as you see fit. Unblocking someone restores their ability to interact with you, which can be useful if the circumstances surrounding why you blocked them in the first place have changed or improved. Remember, you always have control over who gets to engage with your content, so feel free to revisit these settings whenever necessary. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in making your TikTok experience more enjoyable and under your control.